Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet. Today is July 1st. I got that right. And today is the day that we picked the winner for the giveaway. For just the thank you giveaway that I was doing. Ended yesterday, and today is the day that we're picking winner. And today is Charm Chatter 69, I think. You think I just did one last night, I would remember. No, I think we're at 69. So I want to thank all of you for being here today, yesterday, the day before, and every time that you're here. I really appreciate it. Excuse me. I thank you for subscribing and watching and continuing to watch. So thirsty. And coming back again and again and again. It's fabulous that you do that. Just a quick reminder, I did pick the winner, and it's on my computer sitting right here, and I'll show you in just a moment. But you guys, remember to make sure that you're public and that you're subscribed, because when you win, the giveaways are done to help bring subscribers in, and they're also done to thank the current subscribers that we have. That's part of the way that you gain subscribers when you're a YouTube channel. So I'm not saying this just for me. This is just public service for all of you. Make sure that you're subscribed and that you're public. And that's in the settings on your own YouTube stuff. Because if we can't see that you're subscribed, most, at least in the yarn community, that's the only YouTubers I really watch. But I would think anyone that's doing a giveaway is doing it for their subscribers. So you have to be subscribed. So enough of that tangent. You've heard it all before. When I pick this, I always check for subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, you cannot win. So there you go. But before we do that very important thing, I had a lunch meet and greet today with Peggy, one of my YouTube subscribers, who is from the area that I live in. But she doesn't live here currently, and she lives in Arizona, and she came here not to see me. She, family, friends, home. So she came home for a while, for a visit for a couple weeks, and we made plans for lunch, and we met at Hobby Lobby. Ooh, we had fun at Hobby Lobby. Not as much fun as if they had a sale. It's not sale week. And it's also not clearance week. I'm waiting desperately for that. You guys, I really don't go into Hobby Lobby all that often. It's not convenient for me to get there. I'm not terribly inconvenient, but it's like out of the way. Out of the way in a way that I don't normally travel. So I don't go there very often. But I do love their yarns. The yarns that I purchased there, that I got on sale last year, which was around this time. So I don't know if they're not going to do a sale this year. They might not clearance anything out because, they were closed down for a while and all that. So I don't know what's happening with that. But what I do know is that it's not happening right now at my store or at the store closest to me. But they sell yarn there, which I did not buy because it's not on sale this week, even at the 30% off that every other week they run. So I'm going back next week to get it. It's like that Twirls from Hobie, that kind of yarn, 100% cotton, real fine, with the beautiful colors. And oh my god, they had two of them there that I just have to have, and I will go back for those. And then I looked at some of the, which I've never bought before, they're sugar wheels, but I believe that Trisha Swift made me a shawl, and it was out of the sugar wheel. So soft. I totally love that, and I want some of that yarn. And I never have tried felt or anything there. I love this cotton. Really, it's a nice yarn. I like it too. So I'm definitely going back next week when they have their sale, because I want that those twirl kind of yarns. I can't remember what they call them, and I don't have one to show you, but they have an orange and yellow that looks like a daggone sunset or a campfire, or it's just beautiful colors. And then they have a pastel one that's simply gorgeous. And I have a friend that wants me to make her a shawl, just like the one that I made myself, which, if I could pause you, I would. Hold on 1 second. I'll get it. Don't go away. Just talk amongst yourselves for 1 minute. And, okay, I'm back. I should have put the beautiful flowers in front. You could have looked at my beautiful 4th of July flowers that my granddaughter and her boyfriend brought me yesterday. But sorry, I didn't put those up there while I took off. This shawl. I think it's the Anna Lucia shawl. And it's this color way that is so simply gorgeous. And I got this yarn specifically from AC Moore. And, you know, that's out of business. But Hobie sells this same color. But you have to spend $75 to get free shipping from them. The yarn, same type of yarn, AC Moore had, but they did not have this color, or not AC Moore, Hobby Lobby has, not this color. So maybe I'll give my friend this one and make myself another one in one of those other colors, even though I have other colors here. Anyway, I have to have the orange and yellow one. And I totally love this. And I can get it from Hobby Lobby, but to get free shipping, I have to spend $75, which is not hard to do. I mean, don't get me wrong. But they're, I don't know, $11 there, and I can get these at, they'll be like $6. So there's that. The AC Moore ones had 1,093 yards, and the ones at Hobby are and at Hobby Lobby and at Hobie or Hobby or however you say that, they're only 900 and something yards. So anyway, I did not buy these now because I'm going to buy a couple next week. Maybe Amanda will go with me when they're on sale. But they did only have 2 yarns on clearance, because clearance is my jam. So let's see. I did buy this one, and it's in a bag. It doesn't have a wrapper. I don't know. It's a snuggly, like a blanket yarn, maybe a thin blanket yarn, but it's probably a 5 weight anyway. And it's in this pretty colors. Pastels. It's 1, but I thought for the kids, you know, Amanda and I were just talking about it yesterday. This was on clearance without a ball band for $2.74, and I thought might be enough for a baby blanket. Definitely enough for a baby hat and maybe somebody else a hat and or a scarf, like we were talking about. And for, you know, one skein, I thought it was nice, and the kids might like it. Amanda might like it. And then they have this one, which reminds me of like that pipsqueak yarn. I'm gonna open it, so just a second. They also just stuck it in a bag because there's no ball band on this either. This was $1.74, and again, I'm gonna say it's maybe a 4 or 5 weight. Well, but I'll pull it out so you can see it. It's real soft and fuzzy. It's like those fuzzy socks. And I thought that might be cute hats, like we were talking about yesterday. Make one for yourself, make one for a kid, you know, a little kid. So I thought maybe we could get a hat or 2, hopefully, out of that. I would have to try and see how that works out. And I did run over to, there was a Walmart, and so I ran over there, and I bought one of these, because every time I go to Walmart, I buy this color if they have it, in the comfy cotton. And it was on, I guess, some kind of clearance sale for $4.50. I only bought one. I let Peggy have the other one because they only had 2 in the white. So that was that. And lunch was so nice with Peggy. We had such a good time. Then I bought, and she bought one of these as well, a yarn bowl. And that was on clearance as well. As you can see, $3.24. I don't have a yarn bowl. And I have a yarn basket that my honey made me, and I do use that, and I do like it. But I also want, like, I don't have one. So I bought one. For $3, how can you not buy it, right? Then I bought 2 of these. One for me and one for Amanda if she wants it. She may or may not want it. And I know Rosalie from Yarn It Out also purchased this at Hobby Lobby. And I was real grateful to see that, I'm noisy, so hold on. To see that mine had it. There, get some of the junk off of it. It is, the little sheep. It comes apart, now this part I didn't untape, but it comes apart here, comes apart here, here, here. So, like stitch markers and, I don't know. I'm thinking for myself, I would put different notions in it and put it by where I crochet. I think. I just thought it was cute, but I like stitch markers or maybe stitch marker making materials that I kind of have in other containers. I don't know. I just thought he was cute. Amanda could use it for school supplies because she, you know, is a teacher. And it's a yarny kind of thing. So anyway, I bought 2 of those. One for me, one for her. If she doesn't want it, then probably I will do a giveaway with the other one. You know, when I start shipping things again. So anyway, that's what I got at Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I just went into Walmart because my husband needed some running shorts, and I figured they would have them, and they did. I'm usually not big on Walmart, but every time I do go into one, I always have to check and see if they have any yarn on clearance that I want, and that's what they had. They have more yarn at that one than the last Walmart I was in, I think. But their fabric section is really slow. I don't, you know, buy yarn, fabric at all, but you'd think they'd start to be getting that stuff in again. Say goodbye to the flowers. They're so pretty, and they even have blue water. So I did pick the winner, and now it's time. The winner is, so first I'll tell you, we're going to do it this way so you can't see. I had put it in, and there were 231 unique comments, and I did the winner. Let me see if I can hold this up and show you. And hopefully it won't be backwards. Ta-da! The winner is Crystal Gott. So Crystal, you are the winner of an e-gift card to anywhere that I can buy it and send it to you at. So if you want to do Michael's, if you want to do an Etsy shop, if you want to do Amazon, I do need you to email me at my email address listed below, charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com, and it will be linked in this video. So email me and I will contact you. I will need your, I guess, email address only, so that I can set it up. So that's what I need from you. Congratulations. Yay. I hope you enjoy it. It is a $25 e-gift card. Michael's, Joann's, anywhere that, you know, like I said, Etsy shop, Amazon, wherever, Walmart, wherever I can order a gift card from. So that's all I got for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing and being part of my yarn journey. And don't you love the colors of this? I do. That's all I got today, guys. See you later. Bye.